Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's a really fun video. We're going to be doing an unboxing of some really neat stuff for baking, and this is from Canada's own DareBuilt. They make the #1 pizza steels in North America. Amazing quality. Try one and you'll be using it all the time. Pizza, sourdough bread. Oh, amazing results. That's all I can say. Let's get into this. Nicely packaged. I always like to see that. High on my list of priorities. So let's get this open. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna lift this out. Oh, that is nice. And that is super, super heavy. I'll take it out of the plastic here so you can see this. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Really nice smooth edges so you won't cut yourself. Very nice finish on that. Oh yeah, that is nice. Gonna make some amazing pizzas and bread with that. So that's 22 inches long by 14 inches wide. This fits my oven perfectly. So there is a little gap in my oven, about 1/2 inch all the way around, just to allow airflow coming from the bottom and up, and also from, the top to the bottom. So I just wanted to get this on camera, and when I start using this, I will do a few videos with it, and I'll show it in the video and show you the results that I got when I'm making pizza. But anyway, so thanks very much for watching. If you want to get one of these yourself, I'll put a link to it down below this video in the description box. You can also check them out, DareBuilt. Just type in DareBuilt and you will find their website, and they're also on Amazon Canada and Amazon USA. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.